Hello trumpet players! So today we're going to be working on Procession from Water Music, which is originally by George Friedrich Handel, an English composer. He's actually not English, he was Austrian. But we're going to play through, first I'll play through the entirety of it so you can hear it with the backing track, then we'll talk about what elements of it you'll need to work on, and then I'll play it once more at the end so you have a practice track to play it with as well. Now we're getting to the point of these online lessons where I used to hold your hand so much on what we did every time. This is now we're getting to the point where you really know how to learn. You at this point understand your notes, you understand how to read, and I am going to hold your hand less in these lessons so that you can independently grow as a musician more. So here is a playthrough of it at full speed. Let me make sure that my microphone or my speaker is up to volume. Ba-ba-da-ba-da. Here we go, crank up the volume. Here we go.
Procession from Water Music. Band piece. 1, ready, play.
So there it is. I will play it once through with a metronome. Let me sing it once through, so we have do. We're in the key of C major, right? So I will sing it once through for you. For those of you that are going to use the solfege to help you.
Band piece.
Do is here.
1, ready, play.
Do, 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 mi, 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 sol, 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 fa, mi, 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 fa, sol, 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 fa, sol, la, fa, 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 mi, fa, sol, mi, 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 fa, sol, 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 fa, sol, la, fa, 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 mi, fa, sol, mi, 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 sol, 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 la, 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 sol, fa, mi, re, do, mi, sol, 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 mi, fa, sol, fa, mi, re, mi, fa, re, mi, sol, fa, mi, re, do, re, sol, 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 la, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do, re, sol, 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 mi, fa, sol, fa, mi, re, mi, fa, sol, fa, mi, re, do, mi, fa, mi. There it is. Right, that's it with solfege, so if you need to practice it with solfege, there's your guide. And lastly, I'm going to play it through with a metronome a little bit slower. Alright, so I'm going to take it at, what did I say, 70 beats per minute. So here comes the metronome, let me get it set up. 70 beats per minute. Now, things to watch out. Remember, we're in 3/4. Ba, ba, ba. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. 1. Right, so everything's in 3/4. You could see my conducting. You should have clued into that by now. We have a first theme, just like we did on the last piece, that ends at 13 and repeats back. And then we have a second theme that does the same thing. So 13 to 28, and then when you get to 28, you have to repeat back to 13. Make sure you're paying attention to those repeats, okay? Now, for the version with the metronome, I'm not going to play any of the repeats, just because it's a little bit slower, so you can hear it better. I'm going to play start to end with no repeats, taking the second ending at the end, okay? That's the only difference. When you record it with the backing track, you will record it with the repeats, just like I did the first time, and just like I'll do at the end. Here we go. Once with no repeats. 1, 2, 3. There it is with the metronome. And then once more for gusto, I will play it with the backing track. Your homework is going to be to play it with the backing track. So here we are, from the top.
Page 20. Procession from Water Music. Band piece. 1, ready, play. There it is. Your homework is to record this with the backing track from YouTube that I will post at the backing track tempo, and record yourself along with it and submit it. If you have any questions, zip me an email. Happy practicing.